morning, class. Before we begin our lesson, let me ask you a question. What is science? Science comes from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. It is an organized way of studying things and finding answers to questions through the use of scientific method. But science is not just about memorizing facts. It's also about how we think and how we search for truth. Let me share with you a few thoughts from some of the greatest scientists in the history. The first one is Charles Darwin on 1887. Science consists in groupings facts so that general laws or conclusions may be drawn from them. This reminds us that science is not random. It's about organizing knowledge so we can understand the bigger picture. Second is Carl Sagan on 1980. Science is a self-correcting process. To be accepted, new ideas must survive the most rigorous standards of evidence and scrutiny. This shows us that science constantly improves itself. Mistakes or wrong ideas may happen, but science corrects them through evidence. Third is Marie Curie on 1923. Science is the most precious part of our moral patrimony. It is at the base of all progress that lightens the burden of life and lessens its suffering. This emphasizes that science is not just knowledge, it is a tool for progress, helping society solve problems and improve life. So, science is knowledge, a process of correction, and a foundation for human progress. Now that we understand the essence of science, let us see how it connects with technology and society, and how this relationship has shaped history even on our own country. So for our main discussion, the relationship of science and technology. According to Brooks on 1994, science contributes to technology in 6 important ways. First one, it gives us new knowledge that leads to new invention. The second, it provides tools and techniques for engineers and designers. For number 3, or letter C, it offers research instruments and methods that eventually improve industries. Fourth, or letter D, it involves human skills through research practice. Fifth, it creates a knowledge base to evaluate the social and environmental impact of technology. And finally, the last one, it helps us refine new technologies through applied research. In other words, science lays the foundation and technology builds upon it. Now, for historical antecedents, let's take a quick journey through history to see how this relationship has shaped human progress. From Stone Age, early humans invented hammer stones, clay pots, and hand axes. They also made cave art, which shows not just survival but also creativity. Next is Bronze Age. So people developed wheels, plows, and chariots. They even made soap, lamps, and the first umbrellas. Next is Iron Age. Stronger iron swords, alphabets, plus with iron tips and irrigation systems. It changed farming, communication, and warfare. Next is Middle Ages. The printing press spread knowledge, gunpowder changed warfare, and eyeglass improved daily life. Next is Modern Age, industrialization, and the digital revolution gave us electricity, airplanes, computers, and even space exploration. So each period shows how science and technology work together to improve society. In the Philippines, even before the Spaniards came, our ancestors were already applying science in their daily lives. They studied the stars to tell the seasons, developed irrigation for farming, built boats for trading, and used herbal medicine for healing. Later on, Filipinos contributed to global science and technology. These are clear examples of how Filipino ingenuity connects science, technology, and society. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Goodbye!